Today we're at Yokohama and we're waiting for the fireworks of the summer. For now it's still daytime, so let's explore the area before the night falls. Do you know this place? This is the famous Yokohama, and you can see the famous landmarks right there. The famous hotel and the famous amusement park. So people are gathered up either on boats or on the shore to watch the fireworks tonight. It's a sparkling twilight night. And the fireworks actually going to show from the side of the Bay Bridge that way. If you have time to kill before the actual fireworks begin, you can just take a walk around this beautiful landscape and watch all the landmarks here in Yokohama. So while we're waiting for the fireworks around the area, we're going to explore a little bit of the area near the Yamashita park. Because you can see there's lots of different cafes, very in European feel, that we can hang out and have some drinks while we wait for the fireworks to begin. Okay, so today we're in Yokohama's Chinatown, and we're going to look around a whole bunch of stores and look for different kind of souvenirs and try some of the Chinese food that's available here. And as you can see, today is a holiday, so there's a lot of people around, and there's a lot of stores open, and there's a lot of amazing souvenirs available for you to look at. And also there's a lot of interesting food that we can all try and share. And right here you can see one of Chinatown's famous Buddha monk places. And just for the purpose of this trip, let's try and go into this place, which has a whole bunch of variety of different things that we can try. And it's a buffet, so you can eat as much as we want for as long as we want. Okay, so today before the fireworks, we're at Yokohama's Chinatown, and we're eating at KAFUKU place, and we ordered a whole bunch of cool things that you just seen earlier, and we're going to enjoy our evening until the night comes. So let's eat. Everybody, today we're getting ready for sparkling twilight fireworks at Yamashita Park in Yokohama, and we're gonna enjoy the view before the sun sets so we can watch the fireworks. And you can see people all around setting up their picnic sheets everywhere, and there's many people wearing yukata, and there's many people just with their families enjoying the evening before the fireworks begin. So let's enjoy our drinks and wait for the fireworks to start.